Tax for Speed for. My personal high school when I was at high school, I was a kid and a calm person. I used to sit in the front row and pay close attention to the teacher. I like read adventure books and write and my free time. I did that much, but I have a few good friends that bit time with. My style and behavior, my clothes were simple. I used to jeans, sneakers, and shorts almost every day. I did for fashion trends, but in fact comfort with my style. I was respectful and responsible. I was trying to do my best in class. Final message: being yourself is important. We all have different personalities and experiences, and thanks Margaret is unique. Thank you for this my present.